Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Matt Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that according to a report, a quarter of people will spend time in metaverse by 2026, which is in 4 years away. Well, this is a scary number. The second thing I would like to talk about is KPMG Canada. So one of the big four adds Bitcoin and Ethereum to its balance sheet. And so another big company, giant, which saying, okay, I want Bitcoin, Ethereum on my balance sheet. And the fourth topic I would like to talk about is that there is a new malware which targets MetaMask and other 40 crypto wallets. So be aware of that. Let's talk about these things and let's start. And if you would like to get this daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, just simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I'm bringing them for you every single weekday. Also, check out the links under this video because there are many useful ones. Also, a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. You just have to download it and watch it. Lots of valuable information. And let's looking at the crypto prices, where we can see that, we had a kind of good day yesterday as well, especially after those days we had before. And no, it was the wrong button I pushed. Yeah, bit highlighted. Okay, I'm in zoom in. Great. So we can see that Bitcoin is actually now 2% up. It was a bit higher, but now it's 43,515. Ethereum hardly moved, but also it was up a bit more. As you can see, the last hour we're going down a little bit, but just a tiny bit. It is at 3,072. And when we're looking at the top gainers, we see Cadena going up 23%, Shiba 70%, and Redix 15%. So these are the winners of the last 24 hours. And Gala down 9%, Helium down 8%, and Waves down 7.7%. And when we're looking at the candlestick chart, we can see that, we had this very nice increase. So first of all, we went back to the level, 38. This was a kind of resistance for a while, as you can see it. Then we broke this one. We broke actually this main yellow trend line, as you can see. Sorry, the blue one is the main one, and this was the broadening wedge, what you can see here. So anyway, we broke both of them, and then we started to go up to the next huge level, which is around 42,000-ish, kind of like that. And then we kind of continued. And as you can see, this level is also, it was a resistance in the in the past. And we firmly break it just a little bit. And then, we started to go down now. Therefore, now is the big question. Was that it? Was it like a fake out, or we just like going down a little bit and then retry the whole thing? So this is what we're watching. To be honest with you, it looks amazing that we have seen this breakout, but for me, we have to be a bit more up to say that, okay, it's confirmed and we're really coming back nice and strong. This was a nice move upward, but this was important to crossing, I think, 42,000. That's okay. But I'm watching really now the weekly candle, where the weekly candle will close. Because if we're closing above this 42 or 44,000, this would be a nice sign. But for that, we still have to wait. Okay. And now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about that, according to research, quarter of the people will spend time in metaverse by the year 2026. Metaverses, they're getting more and more popular. You hear more and more about these virtual things, and it looks like people, companies in general, lot of interest. And here you can see this article, and according to research here, it shows that a quarter of people probably will spend time in metaverse by the year 2026, which is 4 years away. And the report also estimates that 30% of organizations in the world will have products and services in metaverse by the same year. 30% in the world, organizations and services. This is also a very big number, but we can see how, big companies, Adidas, then we have Nike, so many others, they, getting into metaverse, building their own virtual world. So by 2026, 25% of people will spend at least 1 hour a day in metaverse for work, shopping, education, social, entertainment purposes, according to the new research, which was made by Gartner, which is a technology research and consulting company. And there we have here also a research firm, strategy analytics, found that the global metaverse market is forecast to hit nearly 42 billion by year 2026. But we do remember that by Grayscale in November, it came out that actually in a couple of years, we can reach the 1 trillion in the coming years market cap. So it's a way bigger number. This is also very interesting. The rate of active metaverse users increased 10x between the start of 2020 and June 2021. So basically in a year and a half, it's 10x. TerVirtua co-founder, CEO Jawad Ashraf said that the research highlights that the metaverse will change the way in which users interact with virtual environments, predicting that it will become a destination for social occasions, work meetings, game events, music concerts, and much more. So basically, here we're building our second world, our dream world, put it this way, because now we're here, this is our, real world. But maybe you have the dream, you have an avatar you would like to look like, and the metaverses can give you this. And you can maybe escape from the world. I mean, there could be so many reasons why you actually join metaverses. And it looks like that big companies already can see the opportunity. Therefore, they keep investing, building their own metaverse. And, even now this whole NFT hype can lead, into the metaverse and play to earn. And the whole thing together can be something which is massive. So we are on a very interesting journey, and you just hear about the metaverses now more and more, and it looks like it could be something big. Will it be? Yeah. Future will tell. Okay, guys, that's the first topic. The second topic is that KPMG Canada adds Bitcoin and Ethereum to its balance sheet. One of the big four, as we call them, and it's actually KPMG Canada, and they adding Bitcoin and Ethereum to its balance sheet. The big four, it's when talking about the accounting firms, Deloitte, Ernst & Young, we have Pricewaterhouse, and also we have KPMG. It's easier to say the shortening here. So KPMG Canada today announced it has directly invested Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two largest cryptos by market cap. When you're looking at companies, we have here MicroStrategy putting a lot already in Bitcoin. We have Square, we have Tesla, and KPMG is also a massive, big giant. And again, another company which is saying, okay, and our big company, this is very important, that I would like to have some Bitcoin and Ethereum on my balance sheet. The Canadian arm of the accounting giant said on Monday's statement that the investment reflects their belief that institutional adoption of crypto assets and blockchain technology will continue to grow and become a regular part of the asset mix. So stocks, bond, you name it, precious metals, gold, silver, and crypto. So this is what at least they believe. Karim Shadak, KPMG Canada's investor partner, crypto assets and blockchain services co-leader, added that the company would branch out to other industries in the crypto world. So this is interesting. They're not stopping here, investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Here we go. We have invested in strong crypto asset practice, and we will continue to enhance and build on our capabilities across decentralized finance, so in DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and metaverse, just I talked about it before, to name a few. He said, we expect to see a lot of growth in these areas in the year to come. So this is actually a big giant. They have a lot of money, part of the big four, and they also say, okay, let's get into crypto. I would like to be part of it. And more companies, especially big ones like coming like that, it will open the eyes even of more people. So I think, and investors, this is a very, very interesting development we are living right now. Okay, third topic is about a new malware which targets MetaMask and other 40 crypto wallets. There are a lot of great things when it comes to crypto, but it's a dangerous thing. Dangerous thing in a way because you have to protect your crypto. Nobody's doing it for you. If you keep it online or if you keep it on an exchange, as the saying goes, if it's not your private key, it's not your crypto. But even if you own the private key, but it's online, then you can be afraid that what's going to happen with your crypto is when it will be easier to hack. And here is this article, which is all about new malware. So users have been warned against the new malware designed to steal crypto from browser extension wallets, such as MetaMask and Coinbase wallet. So this is here the danger. Let's zoom in a little bit. Can I, please? Okay. So named Mars Stealer by its developers, the new malware is powerful upgrade on the information stealing Oskitron, which was back in 2019. So it targets more than 40 browser-based crypto wallets, along with popular two-factor authentication extension. So MetaMask, Nifty Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, you see them, Ronin Wallet, Binance Chain Wallet, and TronLink are listed as some of the target wallets. The security expert notes that the malware can target extension on the Chromium-based browsers, except Opera. Sadly, it means some of the most common browsers, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Brave, are actually on the list. After infecting a system, the first thing the malware does, and this is very interesting, checking the device language. If it matches the language ID of Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Azerbaijan, Belarus, Russia, the software leaves the system without any malicious action. That's weird, but who knows why. For the rest of the world, the malware target file that holds sensitive information such as crypto wallets, address, info, and private keys, and then leaves the system by deleting any presence once the theft is completed. So bottom line, guys, it's very, very important that you keep your crypto offline. Hardware wallet offline. If you're using browser extensions, keeping there your crypto, using MetaMask, whatever, online wallets, you have to be aware of it that sooner or later, in my opinion, someone is coming for your crypto. If it's not this one, there may be a new one. But I have heard so many stories. I got so many emails from you guys telling me that my crypto was stolen here, there. And I haven't really heard about that somebody kept it on offline on a hardware wallet and without giving out anywhere the recovery phrase on or some kind of important information to make this successful stealing from the wallet would be actually hacked. So it's usually you can be hacked if you keeping the sensitive information about your ledger wallet simply on your computer in a file. Sure, then it doesn't matter that you have a hardware wallet if you kept everything on the computer. But if you not do that, you keep everything offline, keep your crypto offline, this is nowadays the safest way to store. And I think it's very, very important to talk about that, because there are many newcomers in crypto. It's very easy to just simply use an MetaMask or a simple online wallet, but it is not safe. That's the whole point. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, if you like this kind of content, smash the like button. Also, subscribe to this YouTube channel to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news. And I'm back tomorrow with the freshest. Have a good one. Bye-bye.